Hi, my name's Mark. I'm South African. I reside on the Whale Coast of the Western Cape in South Africa. I teach English as a foreign language. I am a native English speaker, but I also speak Afrikaans as a second language. I spent most of my career in the area of technology and IT. I graduated from college with a national diploma in electronic engineering. So that is where I spent most of my career before becoming a teacher. So what can you expect from my classes? Well, first of all, I am friendly, very humble. I have a lot of patience. Most of my students are kids below the age of 12. Probably because I'm a very patient person and I love kids. I teach English to beginners and those at the intermediate level. Now, when it comes to my lessons, the important things for me is good engagement between the teacher and the student, and more importantly, to make the student feel comfortable, whether they're a 12-year-old, a teenager, or an adult. I also like to use a whiteboard where necessary, if possible. I also have a mini blackboard for kids. I like to use props with the kids and just basically make the class or the lesson fun and interactive. One of my top priorities as a teacher, as an individual, is to ensure that when my students leave my lessons, they leave with a positive imprint upon their lives, that they can take what they've learned and better the world around them. I also make sure that I target the specific needs and requests of my students. So I would like to encourage you to try a lesson out with me. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, practice makes perfect.